I could sing these songs as I often do. Every song must end, but you never do. So I throw up my hands to praise you again and again, 'cause all that I have is a not much, but nothing else fit for a king, except for a heart singing hallelujah, hallelujah.